Pennsylvania requires that employers carry workers' compensation insurance, and most do. But when an employer doesn't have any insurance, the issue becomes what can be done about it.
So the UEGF, the Uninsured Employers Guaranty Fund, pays uninsured claims in Pennsylvania. Now, they have very strict notice and filing requirements, though. And so a lot of injured workers who don't talk to a lawyer right away after finding out their employer doesn't carry workers' comp insurance are in a really bad place. So the law changed very recently. It changed in 2019, and it states that you have 45 days to put the fund on notice of an uninsured claim from the day that you knew that the employer was uninsured. Then you only have 120 days to file that claim petition against the UEGF. If you don't file both of those things within that time period, once you know your employer's uninsured, you don't have a claim. It acts as a statute of limitations. When that petition goes to a workers' compensation judge, the injured worker will have the burden of proving all the elements that they would ordinarily be required to prove in order to show that they're entitled to workers' comp benefits, meaning they got hurt in the course and scope of their employment and that their disability is related to that injury. And then once they've proven everything they needed to prove against the uninsured employer, the fund will step in and pay that claim if it's granted.
Can the uninsured fund settle a case in a mediation if they choose to?
Certainly. The UEGF does settle claims. Now, because we're dealing with a special fund created by the state, they're very, very careful with settling claims, and they're going to want a little bit more information than your typical insurance company is going to expect, but they will settle.